Welcome back to HomeLab Networks. My name is AJ, and this is a different type of video. Few photos of my old setups back in the day, so about 10 years ago now. I just want to go through it with you guys and show you the upgrades throughout the years and what we run with now. Look how blurry the photo is. That's a TV monitor. I don't that much. Look at the alarm clock down there. But this was, I reckon, 2010 possibly. I can't recall. That desk. I think that was the map of the world on the desk. I can't even recall that setup. I remember that setup. The old white MacBook from school. TV monitor again. This is when we were back into the PlayStation 3. And all we did was play Call of Duty. Me and my brothers. I don't even believe I used that laptop for anything. So we've downgraded from a desk to two side tables by the looks of it. Look at the plastic chair. Oh my god. It was the day I got my PC. That is the PC I still use today. With a few minor upgrades, but other than that, that's the PC I still use today that I'm making this video on. That's crazy. I wish I had that monitor still. I don't have that anymore. That's crazy. So we got that back when I think Windows 8 just come out. Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Still with the white MacBook. The desk came back. So we had at my parents' house we had the big lounge room, and we put like those picnic tables you bring out when you go to the park or something with your family. We had two of them in the lounge, the toy room at Mum's. Well, we call it a toy room now because I've got kids. But it was in the front room. We had two white tables, and then we had that map desk there, and we had MacBooks and TVs set up everywhere for video games. It was crazy. I wish I had a photo of it. And the whole lounge room or spare room was just covered in desk and computer screens and monitors. It was the best time. Seriously. Upgraded the chair. Nice. We had a little book shelf thing. Monster. So back here we just played Black Ops 2 like crazy. Well, we outplayed it too much. It was just Call of Duty 24/7. That was the first night I got this rack, and I put all my equipment in here. That was a fun night. Then yeah, this is when I first started getting back into networking and home labs. When I first started off, we had the 9U rack in the bedroom. That PC was garbage. You could not fix that. And that probably 2 months before I got my racks and stuff, I bought this desk. It's an awesome desk. I love it. That's still the same chair as the other photo. Look at that network cable. Oh god. That's when I first got my switches and the patch panels, and I didn't have any patch cables, so I had to use these big. I think they're like 3 meters or 2 meters. And I believe in the next photo, they're wrapped around. Yeah, here we go. My first ever server I did. Access point or router. Yeah, I had to wrap these around the switches because that's all I had at the time. I'll never forget the feeling when I first got that rack, and I had to actually build that rack and put it together. It was the worst job in the world. I hated doing that. And that's what we rocked today. I'm pretty proud of this achievement. Again, it's not the best equipment in the world, it's not the best rack, but I think for a home lab person who wants to get into it and start out, if you aim for something like this, you'll be really happy with yourself. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I know this was a completely different type of video, but I just wanted to go back through some old photos and show everyone what I used to run with and what I have now, and just to tell you guys that start off small, work your way up, and in a matter of months, if you keep to it, you'll have what you want. But you don't have to start big off straight away. That's what I'm trying to get at. So just enjoy the journey, take the ride, and just learn. My name is AJ, and I'll see you in the next video.